Hello, my name is Leah. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. I just wanted to share with you that I have signed up for a clothing subscription box. This doesn't cost any money initially. They send it out free of charge with 5 clothing items. You get 5 days to make up your mind, try on and see what you like. If you don't like any items, there's no commitment. There is a bag, free postage, pop your items back in there, send it back, and that's it. If there is things that you'd like to keep, you can keep some of them. If you keep all 5 items, you do get a 25% discount. I will put a link down below, so if you like the sound of this, you can recommend friends, pick up my link and you'll get £10 off your order. Okay, so basically I have peeked, I'm sorry, but I couldn't wait. You get quite a big box. The company name is Lookiero. I think that's how you pronounce it. Can you see that, Lookiero? It's online anyway. So quite a sizable box. The items are covered in nice tissue paper. You get a wallet with some paperwork inside. And then you get your items. Now the first item here is a pair of blue stretchy jeans. I have to say I'm not a fan of this colour jean. I do prefer a darker jean, and I'm not a fan of like stretch jeans because I find they ruffle on my thighs and my legs because I'm quite heavy on the old thighs and the bottom area. So it depends on how jeans fit is whether I buy or not. And I feel that they're quite wide leg. I do like to wear like ankle boots and things like with my jeans, so I do feel these may be a little bit wide, but we'll try them on. Second item is another pair of jeans. Now these are more favourable to me. They are black, black being my favourite colour. Plus black's very flattering. I feel that these jeans are a nice quality for the winter months, but again, I don't know, they're very wide at the ankle area, but again, we need to be trying them on. Pockets are all workable pockets, and there is a little detail in here with a zip, not on the other side. So I guess depending on the price on these as to whether I keep them or not, because I do have a lot of black jeans. Okay, third item. I like a bit of sparkle, a bit of bling. Oh right, okay, this is a nice top. It's very long, so I would say it's more of a probably tunic type top, which I like because it covers the old bottom area. I think this would be very flattering for a Christmas party, paired with some maybe like faux leather skinnies or a faux leather skirt would look amazing. That was probably going to be a keeper for me. And then a fourth item is this is a pretty little top. It's got lace detail on the front. Can you see that? Which is also on some of the back. So that's literally just like this area. No sleeves, it's short, and at the sides it has a little slit. It's not as long, so it's not a tunic style. This looks very wide for me, so I think this possibly might be a little bit too big, particularly at this arm area. But we will try it on and we will have a look and see what it looks like. And the last item is a blazer. Nice check blazer. There's no detailing on the cuffs. It does have shoulder pads, but they're quite discreet shoulder pads. There's one button to do it up. It does seem to be quite fitted, which should cinch you in a little bit at the waist and give you a little bit of a curve. I do like blazers, and I do own a few blazers. I think they are an investment. You can dress them up to make them quite smart if you have a job interview or going to work. Equally, you could like wear them at the weekend with a pair of jeans, a t-shirt, pair of booties. So depending again on the price on this as to whether I keep it or not. It's not lined, so it's not going to be particularly warm this time of year. but I guess you could shove it in the washing machine. There's no dry cleaning or anything, so we'll have a look and see what we think. Okay, so I'll be back shortly. I will do the try on with you, and then we will go through the paperwork, see how much things are, what our thoughts are, and we'll take it from there. So catch you in a minute. Hi, back again. I'm looking a bit blurry. Is that better? Okay, so as you can see, I have the blazer on. Quite a nice fitting, but I feel it's a little bit too big. It's a bit hangy. What's your thoughts? Maybe you can let me know. I don't feel it does anything really for me. I don't like it. I do have blazers in my wardrobe, so this is not a need item for me. And for me to love it, I need to love it to pay any sort of money for it. I don't think this is going to be something that I will be investing in this time. Yeah. No, definitely not. Okay, so I popped it on with the glitter top I really did like, and I must say I do still like this. I did think I would. It actually fits really well. You could also, I guess, like put it to the off the shoulder just to give it a little bit of fashion. It is quite long, like I thought it would be. Quite slimming as well. I do actually like this very much. This is something that I would definitely invest in. It's nice, very long enough to cover the old bottom. And then we have the jeans. So these are the black jeans. They fit really nice. There's a little bit of gathering at the back here. This is not something either that I will probably keep due to the fact that I own so many jeans, but they are a nice fit. They're a touch too long, but apart from that, they are a nice jean. But I own so many jeans, it's just not worth like keeping them. The blue jeans, unfortunately, I could not get into. So we won't be doing a try on for them, but I will still give you the price. And I will link all the items below in case you're interested in purchasing them yourself. So 2 seconds, I'm just going to sling on the other top with these jeans and see what that looks like. 2 seconds. So this is the second top that I got in my box. I do think it's quite a pretty box. However, I do find the lacing, it just kind of reminds me of like a 90s sort of look to it. I don't know. It is really big. I don't know what's going on with my sizing. When you sign up for Lookiero, you do have to do some sort of profile. I just feel like my sizing's a little bit out of whack, but I think it's trial and error for maybe 2-3 boxes until it's kind of pinpointed. This is a nice top, and I'm not sure what the returns is, whether I could return this and ask for a smaller size. I have looked on the website, but I can't see anything that would help. But I do like it. It is just, I feel just a little bit too big. Because it's too big, the arms are too big, too much material, and I just don't think it's very flattering, to be honest. But it does look nice with these black jeans. I'm just going to pop on the blazer because it will give us an idea what these two pieces look like together. So let's have a look. It's quite nice together actually. However, I just think just a regular black t-shirt, you know, a few quid would do just as good a job. So I think I'll be passing on this one. Okay, so let's just go through the prices of everything that we saw. I'll go to the paperwork part of it now. Okay, so as I said, you do get this little wallet with all your paperwork details in it. So inside, you get some styling cards. So basically, I think they style these on the clothes that you get in your box with items that you might already have in your wardrobe. How to style, i.e. like the blazer here, styled with black skinnies, pink or a white top, just to give you some ideas. And normally you've got these in your wardrobe anyway, same as this. So that's quite a good idea that you know, because I'm rubbish at putting clothes together. So these little cards will give you an idea of what you can use already in your wardrobe. This is a card to say, spread the word and earn £10. Invite your friends to any Lookiero. They'll get 10% discount and you'll earn £10 credit for each friend who tries Lookiero thanks to you. And basically what I'll do is I'll put a link below. If you're interested in signing up, use my link. I will get £10 and so will you. So, and I also got a letter from my personal shopper. It does read, "Hi Leah, welcome to Lookiero. My name is Sophia. I will be your personal shopper. I had so much fun choosing these items for you. I hope you will be surprised. For the first look, I have chosen black jeans together with the shiny black top. This is a lovely look that you can wear either casually or dress it up with heels. And the check blazer, you will look amazing. Furthermore, I have selected the blue jeans together with the black top. This is a more casual look to wear all year. Combine it with the blazer or a leather jacket to create a very cool look. You will love it. Enjoy your first Lookiero experience." And the last piece of paperwork will be the invoice. So shall we have a look at these prices? So you get it all listed like this. Right, okay, so the checked jacket is $59.99. What's your thoughts about that? My thoughts are, I don't think I would pay that much for a blazer, although I know it is a timeless piece. It will last you season in, season out. It just didn't fit enough for me to say that I love it, and I will only buy something if I actually love it. The black jeans are $64.98. I've never paid £65 for a pair of jeans in my life, but I do like these. They do fit nicely. They're a thick material and they're quite stretchy as well. So, and I do feel like they are quite flattering on me. So I will put that in a maybe pile for now. Then there was the blue jeans. They were £28. Didn't fit me. Could barely get them over my thighs. So that's obviously a no. And then this t-shirt, £29.90. I really like this. However, I do feel like this detail in here looks a bit nighty-ish. And it's way too big. So this is in a no pile. And my favourite item was obviously the sparkly silvery top, which is £34.98. I will keep that. I do like that. And I know that I can use that with other pieces in my wardrobe. So I will wear that probably quite often, particularly with the Christmas period coming up and obviously through to New Year. So that will be in my keep pile. But as for the rest, I don't think so. Anyway, leave your thoughts. Comment down below. Please like and share my video. I am new to YouTubing, but I would like to do this because I did look on YouTube and there isn't a lot of subscription boxes in the UK. In fact, Lookiero was about the only one that I could actually find. I have lots of friends in America that I watch their unboxing of their clothing, and there's maybe like 4 or 5 different boxes available in the US. I also have ordered from Amazon Prime Wardrobe. I've got 8 pieces coming, so I will do a video for that and a try on. If you like these sort of videos, please comment below. Sign up if you want. And yeah, it's lovely talking to you. Have a good day. Bye.